Hey guys, we're back here at George Winter Park today. We're out here riding. Got Quinn out here with the Jet Blaster.
What's up, guys?
So he's done some upgrades. I've got a lot of questions on some of my previous videos here about the seat upgrades he's done. So he's going to tell you a little bit about his new seat. He transitioned this from a 2-seater to a 3-seater, and he's going to tell you a little bit about that.
Yeah, so I know Brad posted a video a few months ago, and I had a very short blue seat that went like back to here, I'd say. I ordered this in middle of March and finally got it in a couple weeks ago. This is a 3-seater from a 2026 Jet Blaster actually, and it just fits perfectly. They used the same setup and everything from the 2025 for the 2026 model. A lot of better quality. The stitching looks a lot better. The way I installed it is I just ordered the bracket here. So this is a separate piece from here. So you can see it right there that it's separate. It's just these two bolts, these two bolts, these two bolts, and then this, I guess, I don't know what you call it, but it locks the seat in place right here. It took like 15 minutes to install. And I think the total cost came out to like 500 bucks, I think. Still worth it.
So how much, do you know how much the seat was by itself?
370.
And
you have to look it up on different websites because the price varies.
Okay.
Depending on where you buy it from.
So the bracket was probably like 130-ish?
No, it was like, I don't even know if it was that much. I think it was like 90. So
oh,
maybe
90?
It wasn't even,
okay.
It probably was more like 450.
That's not terrible though. So if you want to, like, you know, have a little bit more seat room from a 2-seater to a 3-seater.
And it's not even a little bit. I mean, it literally is like this much.
You added like a whole foot
this
almost.
Much more, yeah. I definitely think it was a good upgrade. You also get these nice handles on the side.
Yeah, because before you had no handles at all,
and like
right?
getting back on, like you have this handle back here to get yourself back on.
Yeah, there was no grab handle before. You just had, this was the only thing you had to grab onto, like if you were trying to get back on, which I can say that I took this thing for a test drive, and when I was trying to get on it, it was a little bit of a struggle. So
yeah,
that would make a huge difference.
And I really like the color too. The color of the old seat was like a really dark blue, which wasn't terrible, but I definitely like this light blue better. I got the handlebars to match, and I got these new stickers as well.
Oh yeah, you got the blue and blue.
Still overall, I did the math and everything, and you know, because definitely something you want to consider is it just worth to buy, you know, the next up model. It's still like thousands of dollars difference in terms of how much money I put into it, rather than going up to the next 3-seat model.
So you were, I think you said you were like $9 grand with the ski and trailer out the door.
Yeah, so $9 grand, and then I think I looked, and the next one up was I think it was 11.
Okay.
And that's just a 2-up with reverse. That's not even to get the longer seat.
Oh, okay.
The next model with the 3-up seat, I think it was like 12.
Okay,
so it's like $2 grand. I mean, it's $2 or $3 grand difference.
Yeah, because that's not including the trailer price either, right?
At it. So I definitely think it's worth it. I mean, this has been a great. I mean, obviously, I would like to have reverse and have all the fancy stuff, but.
And you're already up to what, 113 hours? You said.
So I bought it in August. I think it was August 5th, 2025, and I haven't even had it a year, and I've already put 113 hours on it.
I don't know if you guys can see the screen. It's kind of
113.3.
Kind of hard to see, but 113 hours. I mean, that's, and like basically, are you at a year yet?
Well, I mean, no, I'm at, it would be 11 months, but if you also have to consider the fact that I had to put it away for 3 months too.
Oh yeah.
The winter.
So I mean, basically not even a full year of riding.
Yeah.
It's already over 100 hours, which I know there's probably people that live down south that do, you know, they ride year round. They're probably able to do a little more, but
I definitely use.
You're getting some use out of it.
It's been used and abused, that's for sure.
Getting some use.
I've got plenty of nicks and scratches and all that stuff to go along with it. So, yeah.
All right. Well, and then he's done the rack here too. So he's got the super rack on here, just like I've got on mine. He went with the 5-gallon, double 5-gallon can rack. So the rack on mine's, it's set up for a 12-gallon can. But now we can do longer rides. He's got spare fuel, and
Smearing off ice, sand.
smearing off
flavored.
ice just in case you're thirsty.
Yeah.
All right, well, I think that's it for the seat upgrades. I'll post the links he's already shared with me for the seat and the bracket in case you're interested in buying one. So.
Yeah, I bought the. It's more. I shared the part number with him, but you just got to type the part number in online, and then I bought the bracket off of Partzilla, and I bought the seat out from Babbitt's. But
and which one was the one that took the 3 months part?
the bracket itself took like a week to come in.
So the
But
seat
then
from
the seat from Babbitt's.
Babbitt's, okay.
Took, and Babbitt's was great, but the seat took like 3 or 4 months to come in.
So if you don't want to wait 3 or 4 months, probably don't buy it to Babbitt's.
I think it's like that from everybody though.
Oh, it might be that. Okay, so maybe it's that way for
everybody. The seat is on back order from everybody. So if you're wanting to upgrade to a bigger seat, just go into it. It's definitely been worth it especially if you ride with somebody on a regular basis. But be prepared to wait.
All right, so well, I guess if you want it by next year, you better order it now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll keep the Jet Blaster and jet ski content coming your way. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Peace out.
Give us money.
Give us money. Quinn needs some money, so.